Hello everyone, I am Vasudevan Nair. Today I am going to demonstrate, unbox and show you how to assemble a 6U5545 CKD wall mount rack. This is a bottom panel with 50mm round gourmets. This is a top panel fitted with a 90 CFM fan. This is a 450 width side panel. 4 quantity 19-inch hinges are mounted inside a 6U wall mount rack. 19-inch hinges comes with U marking for better understanding and mounting of the equipment and accessories inside the rack. This is a 6U tinted and toughened glass door. Glass door comes with around a lift-off hinge and a regular fixed hinge. 6U CKD wall mount comes with 6-socket 5-amp PDU. 1 unit of cable manager with plastic hooks are fitted inside the rack. 6U CKD wall mount fixing of 19-inch rails on the side panel. Fitment of top panel onto the CKD wall mount. The top panel comes with 2 fan cutouts and provision of 1 fan. The rack is provided with 3 numbers of 50 round gourmets for cabling purpose. 4 numbers of screws, 4 numbers of L brackets are fixed on the front side and on the back side. These are the 2 numbers of L brackets. These are provided to give extra support to the rack. Fixing of glass door onto the wall mount rack. This consists of a lift-off hinge and a fixed hinge. Now you are going to see a 6U 550 width, 450 depth, complete assembled wall mount rack. This is a 6U 550 width wall mount rack. The wall mount rack consists of tinted and toughened glass with cable manager, PDU and a single fan of 90 CFM. Top is given with 3 cutouts of 50 mm for cabling purpose. Same cutouts are given provided on the bottom side for cable to pass through.